Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever wondered why we spend so much time seeking validation from others? Why do we measure our success by their approval, our happiness by their opinions? Why do we look at the world waiting for it to clap for us, when in reality, the loudest applause should come from within? Let me tell you something today. The moment you shift your focus from people to yourself, that is the moment you truly start living life. Has a way of breaking us, challenging us, and pushing us to the edge. And when it does, we have two choices, either to sit in the darkness, complaining, or to rise from the ashes and build a fire so bright that the world has no choice but to notice. But here's a secret. When you focus on yourself, you don't do it to impress others. You do it to become the best version of you, and in the process, you shock everyone. I know what it feels like to be broken. I know how it feels when life tells you that you are not enough, that you cannot rise again. But I also know the power of shifting my focus inward. When I stopped worrying about what the world thought and started focusing on my own growth, my own healing, my own happiness, everything changed. And that is what I want to tell you today. Stop waiting for the world to validate you. Stop seeking approval from people who do not walk in your shoes. Stop looking around to see who is watching. Instead, look in the mirror and tell yourself, I am enough, I am strong, and I am capable of achieving anything I set my heart on. You see, when you focus on yourself, when you work in silence, when you build yourself up brick by brick, when you grow, when you heal, people start noticing. They wonder, how did this person rise again? How did they achieve so much? And before you know it, you have shocked everyone. But here's the real magic. You don't do it for them, you do it for you. So today I challenge you, start focusing on yourself. Work on your dreams, protect your peace, heal your heart, build your confidence. Invest in yourself so deeply that when people look at you, they don't see someone who was once broken, they see someone who refused to give up. And one day, when they see you shining, they will ask, how did you do it? And with a smile, you will say, I focused on myself. And the rest is history. We live in a world where validation has become the currency of self-worth. From a young age, we are conditioned to seek approval, whether from our parents, teachers, peers, or society at large. We grow up measuring our value based on how others perceive us, constantly craving their recognition, their applause, and their reassurance that we are good enough. But the truth is, the more we chase validation, the further we drift from our true selves. The need for external validation is deeply ingrained in human nature. It feels good to be acknowledged, to be appreciated, to be told that we are doing well. But when we become dependent on it, we give others the power to control our happiness and self-worth. If they praise us, we feel elated. If they ignore us, we feel invisible. If they criticize us, we start doubting ourselves. And in this endless cycle of seeking approval, we forget that true confidence does not come from outside, it comes from within. One of the biggest dangers of seeking validation is that it forces us to live according to others' expectations. We start shaping our choices, our dreams, and even our personalities based on what will be accepted and admired by society. We suppress our true selves in an attempt to fit in. We fear judgment, rejection, and disapproval, so we mold ourselves into a version that pleases others. But in doing so, we lose our authenticity, our uniqueness, and our voice. Social media has amplified this need for validation. We post pictures, updates, and achievements, hoping for likes, comments, and shares. And when we don't get the response we expect, we feel disappointed, as if our worth is tied to numbers on a screen. We compare ourselves to others, wondering why their lives seem more exciting, why they receive more attention, why they are celebrated while we remain unnoticed. But what we fail to realize is that social media is a highlight reel, not reality. The validation we seek from it is fleeting and shallow. True self-worth cannot be found in the opinions of others. It must come from within. When we stop seeking validation, we free ourselves from the burden of expectations. We start making choices that align with our values, not because they will be applauded, but because they feel right. We start expressing ourselves authentically without the fear of being judged. We embrace our flaws, our imperfections, and our journey, knowing that we are enough as we are. The moment we stop seeking validation is the moment we take back control of our lives. We no longer wait for permission to follow our dreams. We stop letting criticism break us and praise define us. We become independent, strong, and self-assured. Our confidence no longer wavers based on what others think. Instead, it becomes rooted in self-awareness and self-acceptance. Letting go of the need for validation does not mean we stop valuing feedback or human connection. It means we learn to differentiate between constructive feedback that helps us grow and unnecessary opinions that hold us back. It means we develop the ability to listen without losing ourselves in the process. It means we stop measuring our worth based on external approval and start finding it within ourselves. When we free ourselves from this need, we experience a new level of peace. We no longer waste energy trying to impress people who may never appreciate us. We stop overthinking every decision, every action, and every word. We become more present, more fulfilled, and more confident in our own journey. We realize that we don't have to. Growth is a continuous journey, not a destination. The moment you decide to focus on your own development, everything in your life begins to shift. Too often, people spend their time worrying about what others are doing, comparing themselves to those around them, and feeling discouraged when they see someone else progressing faster. This mindset is a trap that holds people back from reaching their full potential. Instead of focusing on external factors that are beyond control, the key is to turn inward and invest in personal growth. When you focus on your growth, you begin to recognize that your only competition is the person you were yesterday. The goal is not to be better than someone else. It is to improve yourself in ways that bring meaning and fulfillment. Growth can take many forms: intellectual, emotional, physical. It is about learning, evolving, and becoming the best version of yourself. This requires commitment, patience, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. Investing in yourself means dedicating time to learning new skills, expanding knowledge, and challenging limiting beliefs. Reading books, taking courses, or seeking mentorship are ways to continuously sharpen the mind. Growth is not just about external success, it is also about deepening self-awareness and understanding personal strengths and weaknesses. When you make a habit of learning and self-improvement, you start to see opportunities where others see obstacles. You develop a mindset that is resilient, adaptable, and open to new possibilities. Focusing on growth also means embracing discomfort. Growth does not happen in comfort zones. It happens in moments of challenge, failure, and uncertainty. Many people fear failure so much that they avoid taking risks altogether. But failure is not a sign of weakness, it is proof that effort is being made. Every setback holds a lesson, every mistake provides insight, and every difficulty strengthens character. Instead of fearing failure, it should be seen as a stepping stone towards success. Self-discipline plays a major role in personal growth. It is easy to make excuses, procrastinate, or wait for the perfect moment to start working on goals. But the truth is, growth requires consistency. Small daily actions, even if they seem insignificant at the moment, lead to massive transformations over time. Whether it is exercising for better health, practicing mindfulness for mental clarity, or setting aside time to work on a passion project, the key is to stay committed even when motivation fades. Another important aspect of personal growth is surrounding yourself with the right people. Energy is contagious, and the company you keep has a direct impact on your mindset. Being around individuals who inspire, uplift, and challenge you to grow will push you to reach new levels. On the other hand, spending time with negative, toxic, or complacent people will drain energy and limit potential. Choosing an environment that nurtures growth is essential for long-term success. Growth is also about developing emotional intelligence. Understanding how to manage emotions, communicate effectively, and handle difficult situations with grace are invaluable skills. The ability to stay calm under pressure, resolve conflicts, and maintain a positive attitude, even in challenging circumstances, is what sets successful individuals apart. Growth is not just about external achievements. It is also about inner strength, emotional balance, and the ability to handle life with confidence. One of the biggest challenges in focusing on growth is overcoming self-doubt. The mind can often be its own worst enemy, creating fears and insecurities that hold people back from stepping into their full potential. Learning to silence negative thoughts, replacing self-doubt with self-belief, and trusting in one's abilities are crucial for progress. No one starts as an expert, and no journey is free of struggles. The key is to have faith in the process and keep moving forward. Success does not need an announcement. The most powerful transformations happen in silence, away from the noise, without the need for constant validation. There is a tendency to share every goal, every move, and every achievement with the world, hoping for recognition, encouragement, or support. But the truth is, when you talk too much about what you plan to do, you risk losing the energy and momentum needed to actually accomplish it. The more you speak, the more you invite opinions, doubts, and distractions that can slow you down. Working in silence means dedicating yourself fully to the process without seeking immediate praise. It means setting goals and taking deliberate action toward them without the need to prove. And when energy is focused on executing rather than explaining, progress becomes inevitable. The most successful individuals do not waste time seeking attention for their efforts. They channel their time and effort into their work, allowing their results to speak for themselves. Discipline and consistency are key factors in working in silence. Progress is built through small, intentional steps taken every single day. It does not happen overnight, nor does it require constant updates to the outside world. True commitment to a goal means showing up even when no one is watching, even when there is no applause, and even when the journey feels lonely. It is in these quiet moments of persistence that true growth occurs. There is power in moving in silence because it eliminates unnecessary pressure. When plans are constantly shared, there is an added weight of expectations from others. People start watching, waiting, and sometimes even doubting. This pressure can create unnecessary stress and make the journey feel heavier than it needs to be. But when efforts are kept private, there is room to adjust, pivot, and grow without the fear of judgment. Working in silence allows space for mistakes, learning, and self-discovery without external noise interfering with the process. Silence also protects dreams from negativity. Not everyone will understand or support the vision. Some people may criticize, others may discourage, and some may even secretly hope for failure. The fewer people who know about the plans, the fewer opinions there are to navigate. It is easier to stay focused when there are no external voices trying to influence decisions. Protecting dreams means keeping them guarded until they are strong enough to stand on their own. One of the greatest benefits of working in silence is the element of surprise. When people do not see the effort being put in, they will be shocked by the results. Instead of announcing plans and waiting for validation, progress is made quietly, and when the time is right, success becomes undeniable. This approach not only creates a stronger impact, but also prevents unnecessary competition and distractions. Focusing on work rather than recognition builds a stronger sense of self-belief. When progress is measured internally rather than through external validation, confidence becomes unshakable. There is no longer a need for approval because the results speak louder than words. True success is not about impressing others. It is about proving to yourself that you are capable. The journey towards success is often filled with challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. Working in silence allows room to navigate these struggles without unnecessary pressure. It provides the freedom to fail, learn, and grow without the constant gaze of others. Instead of seeking immediate recognition, energy is directed toward long-term success. The most powerful transformations are not loud. They are the ones that happen in silence, unnoticed, until they cannot be ignored any longer. Inner strength is not something a person is born with. It is something that is built over time through experiences, challenges, and self-discovery. True confidence does not come from external validation or the opinions of others. It comes from knowing oneself, trusting one's abilities, and standing firm in the face of adversity. The world is full of distractions, negativity, and situations that test resilience. But those who cultivate inner strength learn to navigate life with grace, no matter the circumstances. Building inner strength starts with self-awareness. It requires a deep understanding of personal values, emotions, and beliefs. When a person knows who they are and what they stand for, they become less influenced by outside noise. They do not allow others to define their worth or dictate their choices. Self-awareness helps in identifying strengths and weaknesses, allowing for continuous improvement without the fear of judgment. It enables people to remain grounded, even when faced with criticism or failure. Another crucial aspect of inner strength is emotional control. Life is unpredictable and challenges are inevitable. Those who react impulsively to every situation often find themselves overwhelmed, drained, and stuck in cycles of frustration. But those who develop emotional intelligence learn to respond instead of react. They pause, reflect, and choose their battles wisely. They do not allow anger, fear, or doubt to dictate their actions. Instead, they use setbacks as opportunities to grow, knowing that struggles are temporary, but the lessons they bring last a lifetime. Resilience is at the core of inner strength. It is the ability to rise after every fall, to keep going when things get tough, and to find solutions instead of dwelling on problems. Many people give up too soon because they believe hardships mean they are not capable. But those who have inner strength understand that setbacks are not the end, they are stepping stones. They embrace difficulties as part of the journey and use them to build an unshakable mindset. Every obstacle faced and overcome adds another layer of strength, making future challenges easier to handle. Confidence and inner strength go hand in hand. People often mistake confidence for arrogance, but true confidence is quiet. It does not need to be loud or boastful. It is a quiet assurance in one's abilities. Confident people do not need to prove themselves to others because they already believe in their worth. They take risks, step out of their comfort zones, and pursue their goals without waiting for permission. They do not let the fear of failure stop them because they understand that growth comes from trying, learning, and improving. Developing inner strength also means setting boundaries. Many people struggle because they try to please everyone, saying yes when they really want to say no. They allow others to take advantage of their kindness, draining their energy and self-esteem. But strong individuals know the importance of protecting their peace. They set limits on who they allow into their lives and what they're willing to tolerate. They understand that not everyone deserves access to their energy, and they choose relationships that uplift rather than drain them. Self-discipline plays a major role in building inner strength. It is easy to give in to distractions, procrastinate, or make excuses. But true growth requires commitment. Discipline is what separates those who succeed from those who remain stuck. It is the ability to keep pushing forward even when motivation fades. Those who develop inner strength do not rely on fleeting inspiration. They create habits, routines, and systems that keep them moving forward, no matter how they feel in the moment. The journey to inner strength is not about perfection. It is about progress, learning, and becoming stronger with each challenge faced. It is about standing tall even when things get difficult, trusting in one's abilities, and knowing that no matter what happens, there is always a way forward. It is a lifelong process of growth, resilience, and unwavering self-belief. Peace is one of the most valuable things a person can have. Yet, it is often taken for granted or sacrificed for the sake of others. Many people spend their lives trying to please everyone, engaging in unnecessary conflicts or holding on to things that no longer serve them. But true peace comes from within, and it is something that must be protected at all costs. When peace is made a priority, life becomes clearer, relationships improve, and decisions become easier to make. One of the most important ways to protect peace is by learning to let go of negativity. Holding on to past hurts, resentment, and grudges only creates unnecessary suffering. Many people replay painful moments in their minds, allowing old wounds to control their emotions and actions. But peace cannot exist where there is bitterness. Letting go does not mean forgetting or allowing others to take advantage. It means choosing not to let past pain define the present. It means freeing the mind from the weight of negativity and making space for growth, happiness, and new experiences. Setting boundaries is another essential part of protecting peace. Many people struggle with saying no, fearing that they will disappoint or upset others. But constantly putting others' needs above one's own leads to exhaustion, resentment, and emotional burnout. Boundaries are not selfish, they are necessary for mental and emotional well-being. Protecting peace means recognizing when to step away from toxic relationships, draining conversations, or situations that bring unnecessary. It means valuing personal time and energy enough to avoid people who only bring negativity, drama, or chaos. The mind plays a crucial role in maintaining peace. Thoughts have the power to shape reality, and when the mind is filled with worries, doubts, and unnecessary fears, peace is impossible to achieve. Many people overthink situations that are beyond their control, creating stress over things that may never happen. Training the mind to focus on the present rather than dwelling on the past or fearing the future is a powerful way to cultivate inner peace. Practicing mindfulness, gratitude, and self-reflection helps shift the focus away from what is missing and toward what is already present. Protecting peace also requires choosing battles wisely. Not every situation needs a reaction, and not every conflict is worth engaging in. Some people thrive on drama, negativity, and unnecessary arguments. Engaging with them only drains energy and disrupts emotional stability. Learning to walk away from unnecessary conflict is a sign of strength, not weakness. Sometimes silence is the best response and distance is the best solution. Prioritizing peace means understanding that not everything deserves attention, energy, or an emotional reaction. Another aspect of maintaining peace is simplifying life. Many people feel overwhelmed because they take on too much, clutter their schedules with unnecessary obligations, or chase material things that do not bring true happiness. Peace comes from focusing on what truly matters. Meaningful relationships, personal growth, and a sense of purpose. Living with intention rather than constantly reacting to outside pressures leads to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Self-care is an essential part of protecting peace. Many people neglect their well-being while trying to meet the expectations of others. Taking time for rest, reflection, and relaxation is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Whether it is through meditation, journaling, exercise, or simply spending time alone, self-care helps restore balance and inner calm. When peace is a priority, personal well-being becomes non-negotiable. The energy surrounding a person has a direct impact on their peace. Spending time with uplifting, supportive, and like-minded individuals creates an environment where peace can thrive. On the other hand, being around negativity, gossip, and toxic behaviors only invites stress and anxiety. Choosing the right environment, friendships, and influences is a key factor in maintaining inner peace and emotional stability. People often spend too much time explaining their dreams, seeking approval, or waiting for the right moment to start. They hesitate, doubting their abilities and fearing judgment. But the most powerful transformations happen when action is taken in silence, when effort is consistent, and when results appear unexpectedly. The best way to make an impact is to focus on personal growth, work relentlessly, and let success speak for itself. The goal is not to impress others, but to become so skilled, so dedicated, and so disciplined that people cannot help but notice. Many people doubt those who silently work toward their goals. They do not see the struggle, the sacrifices, or the long hours of dedication. They assume success happens overnight, but in reality, it is the result of countless moments of effort that go unnoticed. When progress is made in silence, the impact is greater because people never see it coming. They are left wondering how someone transformed, achieved greatness, or overcame the odds. The best revenge is not words, explanations, or arguments. It is undeniable success. Consistency is the key to shocking everyone. Small daily efforts may not seem significant, but over time they create extraordinary results. Many give up too soon because they expect instant gratification. But those who persist, who continue working when no one is watching, eventually rise above the rest. Discipline matters more than motivation because motivation fades. But discipline keeps the momentum going. The most successful individuals are those who show up every day, put in the work, and remain committed despite setbacks, failures, or slow progress. Success does not require announcements. There is no need to prove anything to anyone. The most powerful achievements are the ones that come unexpectedly, without warning, leaving people in awe. Some will doubt, some will criticize, and some will even hope for failure. But when the results become visible, when the transformation is undeniable, there is nothing left to say. Those who once doubted will be forced to acknowledge the progress, and those who once dismissed will have no choice but to recognize the success. There is no need to seek validation or explain the journey. Many people waste energy trying to justify their choices, convincing others of their potential, or defending their dreams. But real success does not require explanations. It is built in moments of solitude. When no one is watching, when no applause is given, and when the only motivation comes from within, the strongest individuals understand that their work will eventually speak for itself. And when that time comes, the impact will be undeniable. Obstacles are inevitable, and failures will happen along the way. Some people will try to bring others down, and not everyone will be supportive. But those who are determined, those who continue despite the challenges, are the ones who rise above. They do not let negativity distract them, nor do they allow doubt to slow them down. They remain focused on their goals, working silently, improving continuously, and growing into the person they are meant to be. The most satisfying success is the kind that comes as a surprise. It is the kind that leaves people speechless, wondering how it happened. It is the result of dedication, perseverance, and a relentless commitment to self-improvement. It is the kind of success that cannot be ignored, the kind that makes an impact without ever needing an explanation. It is the quietest, yet most powerful way to prove everyone wrong.